Hey everybody, this is Tyler from the library. In this video, I'm going to continue building my windmill obstacle. The first thing I did was start working on my tunnel. I used a scoring technique to start bending the cardboard into an arch. If you have any questions about that, be sure to watch our tunnel video. Pretty happy with the way my arch turned out, and don't forget to use tape as a way to kind of clamp the cardboard down to get the shape that you want. I next cut out the 4 pieces that I'll use for my front, back, and the sides. I wanted to add an angle, so what I did to do that was to measure 1 inch from the top, and then I use a straight edge to draw out a line from the top to bottom, which gave me an angle, and then I cut it out along that line. A handy technique for doing this is to measure and cut one, and then use that one as a template as a way to trace out your shape for the other ones. As you can see, that's what I did here. Now I have my 4 pieces. I next traced out the shape of the arch for my tunnel and my front piece. I cut it out, and then I used that front piece as a template for tracing out the shape of the arch for the back piece. Tape on the inside of the arch to clamp it down and fit it to the exact shape that I wanted. I then glued down gussets or triangle braces around the perimeter of the inside to hold it in place. And I did the exact same thing for the back too. I wanted to test where to put my servo. So I taped it down, and then I spun it around 360 degrees to make sure that A, it's blocking the tunnel, and B, it's not hitting the table below it. That way I make sure I had enough clearance. I then traced around the servo exactly where I wanted it to be in a perfect position. I then used a cardboard saw and scissors to then cut out the shape of my servo. If it's a good tight fit, it should just pop in and stay. Otherwise, you can use some glue to tape it into place. If everything goes smoothly, you should have a working windmill. So you may be asking yourself, why didn't he show us how to do the sides? Well, it's because I screwed them up. I made them too short. When I put my tunnel in, my tunnel should have been shorter, but I forgot to account for that when I glued all the pieces in. Also, I realized I probably shouldn't have cut the sides at an angle. It just didn't fit right, so I think a straight side would have been a better solution. So I'm gonna do that in another video, and I'll probably release that tomorrow. Unfortunately, I didn't have any cardboard on hand to do it today. So thanks for watching, and I hope you found this helpful, and good luck with your windmill.